What we do at IM Systems is we have created the Archimedes Drive. What you see is now a big issue with current gear transmissions. So gear transmissions are not as precise and not as robust as they need to be. So we really pushing now the Archimedes Drive to the humanoid market. We experience an insane big pull from that market. So we expect to really grow into that market very quickly. So the biggest issue of humanoid robots currently is that if they encounter any collision or they fall, which often happens because of the external influences that they encounter, then the gearbox often breaks, and that's a massive issue because you have downtime. You need to replace the gearbox, and our system acts like kind of a friction brake. So it slips, but it doesn't internally damage. So after the collision, the robot is perfectly capable of doing its normal operation again.